Looking to transform your outdoor space? Our expert ideas will take your patio and kitchen to the next level. Imagine sleek appliances, stylish seating, and a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor living. Get ready to host unforgettable gatherings. With durable materials and stunning design, your space will be both functional and beautiful. Don't miss out. It's time to create your dream outdoor oasis.
Creating an outdoor kitchen and patio can be a fantastic way to expand your living space, entertain guests, and enjoy the outdoors. Here are some ideas and tips to inspire your outdoor kitchen and patio design. Define your purpose. Determine how you shall use the space. Is it for cooking, dining, socializing, or all of the above? This will help you plan the layout and choose the right features. Location. Decide where to place your outdoor kitchen and patio. Consider factors like proximity to the house, access to utilities, water, gas, electricity, and the natural landscape of your yard. Layout and design. Choose a layout that suits your space and needs. Common options include L-shaped, U-shaped, or a straight line design. Consider adding a bar area, dining space, and cooking area.